Today is the start of daylight savings time in the United States. That means we need to change our clocks, move them ahead 1 hour. And for most people that means a couple clocks or a few clocks or half a dozen or so. But for me, being a collector of clocks, I need to change 44 of them. Many of them are here in my office. A lot of clocks I've designed the faces for different clients or for my own personal use. You can see 4 of them behind me right now. There's 2 there, there's 1 here and 1 here. And most of the clocks work, some don't work. The ones that don't work are probably like these cheap ones that have little battery powered units. This one here doesn't work anymore. So they just stop working. They don't last forever. Also, some of the antique clocks I have are the Art Deco ones from the 1930s or 40s or even some from the 50s. They stop working as well. Some I can get going again, some I just can't fix. And some of the clocks I don't have running are because they just make a lot of noise. I know I have a couple of them like that where they'll just go or make some kind of racket, and it's like I don't want to listen to that, so I don't even turn them on. But I have them on display. And I have more clocks in the basement in a box that I don't even have on display. So I have several more beyond that. What I'll do in the side here right next to me is I'll show a photo of every one of my clocks that I have on display in my home and give you a few facts. I didn't memorize them, so I have to use a cheat sheet here. But I have a total of 63 clocks on display. Like I said, 44 are working and 19 do not work. In my office here I have 19 working clocks and 6 not working. In my kitchen I have 8 working clocks and 2 that don't work. In the hallway 1 non-working clock, and I believe that's one of the really loud ones that makes a lot of noise. In my bedroom I have 4 working clocks. In my spare bedroom I have 3 working clocks. In the bathroom 1 working clock. In the living room 6 working and 9 not working. In the basement 1 working and 1 not working. In the garage 2 working clocks. And of the clocks that do run, that do work, 24 are battery powered, 18 are AC powered, or you plug in, and 1 is a wind up. We actually have to wind a key every month. And I do have 1 that is also AC powered, but also has a battery backup. So, for anybody who has to change a couple clocks, or a few clocks even, I have no sympathy for you. I have 44 to change. It doesn't actually take that long to do that, and it gives me a chance to get all my clocks in sync again. Some of them slow down, and then every so often throughout the year I might have to adjust them and whatnot, but it gets them all in the same time zone, if you will, or the same time. So that's one good thing, but it does take a while. In the next day or so I'll have them all done. Alright, see ya. Clients. Here's one, there's one there, there's one right here, and one up there. This one doesn't work, the other 3 do work.